Hi and welcome back. Today we are collaborating with Hippie Crafter and we'll show you their watercolor brush pens and premium watercolor paper. Let's get into these boxes to give you a look, and then I'll go ahead and swatch them all up for you. So you can see that there are lots of great colors in this set, and you can also blend colors to make even more different combinations. I took some of the watercolor paper and printed off some simple florals. And this is the pen that you fill with water, and you can just play around and see what techniques you like. You can use these in lots of different ways. You can go ahead and lay down the color with just the brush pen, or you can get the paper wet with the brush first. The yellows, orange, and brown colors are really quite nice, and they look great together. Here I'm laying the color down right onto the paper with no water, and then using the water brush pen blending the colors together a little bit. We hope you found this video super helpful. Have a great day, everyone.